Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2017 Kia Forte EX Plus version. It has signal repeaters in the side mirrors, has fog lights, has alloy wheels, also has a sunroof. As we get on the side of the car, you'll notice on the driver's door window that there's a sign that says Sirius is on. That indicates that the car comes with a 3-month free trial of Sirius Radio. Looking inside the car, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Some controls. And the steering wheel, which has the audio cruise controls and various other functions for your convenience. Car only has 25,417 kilometers. Nice big radio screen with Sirius XM showing. Also has a backup camera. Dual climate zones. And aux and USB inputs so you can put your own devices into the radio. Also has heated cloth seats in the front. A gorgeous sunroof for those sunny days. And the driver's seat is height adjustable. In the rear, plenty of room for people back here. Very comfortable car to ride in. And a nice big trunk for carrying suitcases, groceries, sports equipment for your kids, anything you need to carry. And what's more is it's inside a trunk and it's safe and protected. So again, 2017 Kia Forte EX Plus model, available at West Coast Kia. We're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge, about 20 minutes from anywhere in the Lower Mainland. The best way to make an informed decision about purchasing a car, if you're thinking about this little Forte, is to come and drive the car. Bring the family down. We're open 9 to 9 Monday to Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, 11 to 5 Sundays and holidays. And come on down, visit us, go for a test drive.